In this video we're going to do single crochet 6 together. It's used in amigurumi and stuff like that. So let's begin. If it's the starting of a row around, let's put the first 6 together. So you're gonna chain up 1 and you're just gonna collect 6 stitches in a row. So just going in and yarning over, pulling it through, and keep doing that till you get a total of 6 collected. So this is number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you will have a total with the 6 with the starting loop, a total of 7 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over and then pull through all of the loops. So I don't actually technically have enough loops to show you that again, but what you want to do is just collect all 6 and then just yarning over, pulling through them all. This is single crochet 6 together.